Hi everyone. Uh, Today I'm no. Hi everyone. How are you going, guys? I solve problems on Leetcode. Welcome to be here. Uh, 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 I make a little reminder that I solve problems according this graph, and yesterday I was on binary search. Today I'm going to solve sliding window task. Easy one as usual. So let's start. Sliding window. Where is the sliding window? Here it is. I solved zero. I didn't solve yet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Looks like it's hard to solve. Okay, contains duplicate. First of all, let's Google it. What is sliding window? No, at first let's watch a description. Given an integer array, I want to read the description before to be in context when I will Google what is sliding window. Given an integer array and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums I equals nums j and abs I minus j less than k. Why we have this one? K3 true. So we have some array. It is not sorted, and we need to find two distinct indices where the numbers is equal 1 and the difference between indices less than or equal to k. 3 minus 0 is 0. 3 is 3, and 3 is less than equals to 3. Okay, true. Let's watch the false. K2, so we have 1 and 1, but difference, or how can I say, distance between them is not less than k. 2 on 2 as well, 3 and 3 as well. Let's try to make first approach, and after it, if I don't realize, I will Google what is the sliding window. From the name of sliding window, we should have something like some window, some space that we watch and move this window. I guess we need to slide this window. And how can it help me? I don't know. So we have 2 pointers. We know about 2 pointers. We know about, and that's it. Arrays and hashing. Okay, let's try to make something. So we can, how can I solve it? I can go okay, I have first initial sliding window. Initial window position will be first 2 items, and I compare these items. Then I will I need to move the right side of the window until I find the item which equal to my first item. If it's not equal and I reach the item which less than key, less or equal than key, then I need to, for example here, then I need to slide the left side of my window and start over. Yes. How can I optimize it? It sounds like it's not a good approach to reiterate it again every time. But I don't have any other options, I think. If I, for example, if I have k equal to 5, then, for example, if I have this kind, reach this position, if for example, if there is no here not 1 and 2 but 4, 5, 6, everyone different, every number is different. So if I reach here and I start to slide only left side of the window, like this way and this way and this way, then I will miss the comparison between 2 and 3, 2 and 1. Yes, I think I can start to solve it. Var I equals 0, var j equals 1, length more than equal 1. Two distinct indices. Okay, so I shouldn't be equal to j, and I can guarantee that if nums length less than or equal less than 2, then I can return false. So I have it, and I have key. Okay, while when we iterate through our array, do something. If we find something, then if I find something, then I will return true. But if I reach to the end of the array here and I didn't find anything any equal numbers, distinct equal numbers, then it means that array doesn't have the solution. While something, do something. Okay, so first if nums I equals nums j, return true. It's our first solution, first case. If not, if j minus I more than k, then we can increase j by 1. Is it right? But okay, yes. But if else, if j minus k, for example, equal k, then I cannot increase the j, I need to increase I. And that's it. And when we finish our loop, if while j less than nums length and I less than j. Is it enough? Is it enough? No, it's wrong. Okay, it's wrong. How it works, how my solution works. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 k3. I returned false. Oh, sorry. I need to return true. Let's watch nums length less than 2. No. Okay, I 0 j 1 equals 1, or assigned j1. Okay. First, while j less than nums length, j is 1, it is less than 3, 4, less than 4. Okay, I less than j, yes. This one is false if j minus I more than k. less than k. My comparison was wrong. If j minus I less than k, then I increase j. If j minus I equals k, then I cannot increase j. I need to increase I. Let's try it. Okay, I have failed on the second case, but third case is okay. What's wrong with the second case? I need to reach here and how it works. K is 1. J minus I less than K. No. I didn't expect how it should work if our sliding size is 1. It is the edge case and k less than 2, because if k equals 2, we can find distinct indices, but if k equals 1, I cannot. K equals, why it's true? If k equals 1, I minus j. Which items? These two items. Sorry guys, sorry, I confused. How can I say it? Я запутался. I'm confused. I got confused or I mixed up. Okay. I got confused. I'm confused. I mixed up. If k equals 1, then how can it work? These two items should be, sliding window should be this one, then I need to move. I need to move both of the sides of the item if k equals to 1. How can I write it in my code? Because if sliding window is 2, if k 2, then I initially have this size of sliding window, then I increase it until 2, then I move the left side of the window. Sorry, when I move the left side of the window, I also need to reassign the j to I plus 1. I should, when for example I reach this state of the window, for example here, if the k equals to 4, I reached the max size of the window, then I need to I can't continue here, I need to continue here, because otherwise I will miss this comparison if I will continue here. Okay, so my code was wrong. Also, if I have the window size of 1, so initially I have I and j equals 0 and 1, they're not equal, and then I make this comparison, the 1 minus 0 equals 1, is it less than k? No. Then I move here, I increase I move left side of the window, and I move right side of the window. Yes, let's try it. Looks like it should work. Yeah, yoo-hoo! It's accepted. Oh my god. What's wrong with this? But if k, yes, I need this edge case less than 1, it can't be found. So it's this edge case, I need to check this edge case before the main algorithm. Accepted, and let's submit it. Oh my god, why it doesn't work? Why? K0, if k less than 1 is 0. Or, sorry, I'm an idiot. Sorry guys. Oh my god. And still it doesn't work. What the fuck? K3, output false, but should be true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Something, I think something wrong with my comparisons. J less than num's length. I think something wrong here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3 until 9, and these two I didn't compare them. Because I move out from the loop when, for example, I had this kind of window, and then I tried to make, sorry, 3, so I reached 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 indices. 3 minus 0 is 0. The size of the window is 3, 4. k3, but size of is 4. Well, I reach here, for example. I didn't find yet equal distinct numbers, so let's start to check from here. If j minus I less than k, no, I move to else side. So I increase the I looks here, watch here, and j watch here. There does not equal, then I increase it until here. J, it's okay. I guess I understand. And then I increase the j to here, to the unexisted index, and my while loop exits. So how can I resolve it? I think I need to check it here to do not increase the j if it will go out of array. But if I check it there, I doesn't need to check it outside on the loop. Yes. And j less than nums len minus 1. Yes, and I don't need to check it here because j never will not be more than nums length. Let's try it. My god. Output true, but expected false. And I doesn't equal j, I think. This is the error, source of the error. No? While I'm no, I still should check I less than nums length. I still need to check it because once I will reach to the end, our side of my code will try to go outside. And when the left side of the window will reach the last item, I need to stop my loop. Let's try it. Accept it. Let's submit it. And also I don't need this comparison. This time limit exceeded. My god. How can I say? I don't need this comparison. I don't need to compare it. Okay. Guys. Okay, 35,000. I need to help. Google help me. Sliding window technique. Sliding window problems are problems in which a fixed or variable size window is moved through a data structure, typically an array or string, to solve problems efficiently based on continuous subsets of. This technique is used when we need to find subarrays of substrings according to a given set of conditions. What is, how to use, how to identify. Okay. What is sliding window? Let's take an example to understand this properly. Say we have an array of size n and also an integer k. Now we have to calculate the maximum sum of subarray having size exactly k. Now how should we approach this problem? One way to do this by taking each subarray of size k from the array and find out the maximum sum of these subarrays. This can be done using nested loops, which will result into O(n) square time complexity. But can we optimize this approach? The answer is yes. Instead of taking each k-sized subarray and calculating its sum, we can just take one k-sized subarray from 0 to k minus 1 index and calculate its sum. Now shift our range one by one along with the iterations and update the result. Like in next iteration, increase the left and right pointer and update the previous sum. I got it, yes. Now follow this method for each iteration till we reach the end of the array. We move pointers. Okay, it doesn't help me. It didn't help me. Let's read the rest. Basically two types of sliding windows: fixed size, variable. Yes, I have variable size. Yes. The general size to solve these questions. We increase our right pointer one by one till our condition is true. I did it. At any step, if our condition doesn't match, we shrink the size of our window by increasing left pointer. Again, where at any step, if our condition doesn't match, we shrink the size of our window by increasing left pointer. Again, when our condition satisfies, we start increasing the right pointer and follow step 1. We follow these steps until we reach the end of the array. And why I exceeded the time limit. I don't understand something. I can't get. I think I don't understand, don't get something. At any step, if our condition does not match, we shrink the size of our window by increasing left pointer. Just increasing, shouldn't we decrease our right pointer when we increase left pointer? Okay, let's try to do not do not move the right side of our window, and we just move it only here. Is it working? No. Why? Because j minus I is less than k. No, we increase. And now I need to check that I not equal to j. Then j minus I will be less than a k, and I will increase the j. Yes. Why? Initial window 0, 1. Sorry, j less than nubs length. Sorry. Okay, initial window, then j minus I not less than a k. So we move our window to here. Let's run this way, because our window no. No, it doesn't help. Find maximum sum of all sub-arrays of size k. I need to example with variable size. This one is variable size, and maintaining 2-point start and end to mark the starting and ending of the window. We can keep the end pointer until the sum of the window is less than or equal to x. When the sum of window becomes greater than x, we record the length of the window. And start moving the start pointer till the sum of window becomes smaller than or equal to x. Now when the sum becomes smaller than, again start incrementing the end pointer. Keep on moving the start and end pointer till we have reached the end of the array. I give up, guys. I need to watch solution. Smallest window that contains all characters of string itself. No. JavaScript solutions. If it has explanation. No, it doesn't have. Why we don't explain? Okay, he don't explain it. Map, new map, let I if he uses this technique, which when we create a map with inverse, where we inverse the value and the index of this value. Nums I less than k. If I don't understand it, I don't give it. So we have only one index. Then if current item minus item, if current index minus map get the index. Oh my god, I don't understand it. Don't watch at this. At first iteration it won't work. Okay. Map set nums I, so the hash key will be the value of current item, and the index and the key of the value of the item becomes the key, and the index become the value. So when we make a get by value, what we will get? current index, here it is, item on the current index, and when we will get it from the map, it will return us the index of the item, which equals, oh my god, it's a hack. It will return us the index of the item which is equal to current item. Oh god. And we just compare if difference between those two indices is less than or equal to k. If yes, we return true. Is it regular to us, to you guys? For example, you gave the example array of, let's turn example into 1 1 2 3 1. When we read the value, we will be doing oh guys, I need to return to hash to find out, to learn how to use it, because I didn't see at all this approach at all. I can't imagine how can I use it in solutions. I need to find this task where I need to find the task where we use algorithm inverted indices, something like that. No, it's not. It's not. It's how to reverse a subarray of an array. Oh, you don't help. The internet, you don't help me. It looks like it's some common solution. Sorry, common approach with inverted indices. Maybe we have index suffix array. Aha. So tomorrow I'm going to return to this solution or the previous solved tasks to find out about this algorithm. Because I don't understand yes, it is the same solution. Hash map. No, I just need explanation. Solution with explanation. Unordered map. No. Fully explained. No, man, it doesn't explain it. I don't understand it. Explained in detail. Complexity. Approach. Whoa, yeah. Man. Give me approach. We will use hash map to keep track the last seen index of the integer. Since we're only concerned about I minus j less than k, any prior j indices is not needed. Set up the hash map. I don't get it. No, man, I don't understand it. No, it's not easy to understand, guys. I don't understand it. Fuck. No. How can it be easy to understand? Contains duplicate. Contains duplicate. Yes. maybe here we have some solutions with explanation about to iterate through array. Show me your code. No, you don't use hash. Blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm going to stop it and make some research, and it's the end. I'm finished for today. I don't want to make a long video. Thanks everyone for watching, and bye. Have a nice day.